Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is The Sean Show. Today I'll be talking about how to do some basic video editing with the free version of ClipChamp. Basically, cutting video, merging two videos together, adding transitions, adding text, using green screen, etc. In the meantime, if you want to check out my favorite business opportunities for 2023, the one I'm the most excited about right now is called Collect Direct. It's the 22nd of June 2023. It's in pre-launch. It hasn't even launched yet. The website's slated to go live next week. But what it is, it's a business opportunity based on the $458.2 billion collectibles industry. If you want to check it out, there's going to be a link down below at some point. We don't even have our affiliate links yet. That's how new it is. So it's super ground floor. I'll put my email down there, and then once we get our affiliate links, I'll have my link down in the description below. For now, I'm just gonna let this play so that when I do the tutorial and hop on Zoom in a little bit later this afternoon, you'll actually just see me clip a minute or two of this video and then merge it with the tutorial. Take care. Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean, and this is The Sean Show. Right now, I'm just filming the second half of the introduction you already saw. I'm basically just going over some basic editing techniques on the free version of ClipChamp. With that said, let's dive in. So I'm just going to start out by sharing my screen with you real quick. Give me a second here, guys. All right, so what I've done is I actually already added all these onto my ClipChamp editor. That way you don't have to wait for it to load. This video would probably take 2 or 3 minutes. This might take a minute or two or whatever, so you don't want to necessarily see that. So also, one thing to note is this, I'm gonna merge these two clips for you. This is just a little blurb about Collect Direct. It's a brand new business opportunity that I'm doing. It's going to be launched at the very end of June 2023, but I obviously can't merge what I'm filming right now until after this video is done filming. So here we go. Basically what you're going to do is once you already have your media in ClipChamp, you're going to want to go ahead and just add your background that you want to use first. Okay. And then from there, you're going to go ahead and add your first video. You don't want to have it on the same line. You want to have it either above or below. And obviously this video right here is really stretched out. So I'm actually going to go ahead and just minimize it right here, so it's not so long. At the same time, you want to make sure that you stretch this out, because once it gets too narrow, you won't be able to. So one thing that I remember from the intro is it stops right about here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the video. I'm not going to play the whole thing, but I'm forward to right about where I want to cut it, and then I'll show you exactly what you do to cut it. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and clip it right there where I'm making that funny face. And all you have to do is you go here and you click the scissors right here, and you'll see that it split this right here. It was basically because I had that highlighted. So I touch this, then we'll go ahead and hit the scissors again. I'm going to get rid of this. The second half, you just right click it. That'll pop up, then just left click it. I'm going to right click this, and just with the left click, it'll delete it. Same thing. Let's go ahead and just do the green screen part. So to do the green screen part, you're just going to simply click on the video that has a green screen. If you got to go in the old-fashioned way like I do right now, And then you'll simply just click Effects. And then you click green screen, and voila, you see that it's got the gray bricks behind me. One thing that you notice is it doesn't cover the whole video, so we need to adjust that. So I'm going to slide the video part out of the field of vision, and then you just simply spread it out like this. And like this, and now it's covering the whole screen. But I need to drag that video back in, so just click on this right here, and then go drag it over, and just make sure everything lines up. Boom. So got that lined up. Now we have to add the video that I'm going to merge it with. So what you do is you just drag and drop it behind here. I'm just going to minimize everything a little bit again. Want to take, don't really need the green screen for this next video, right? So I'm not going to do it, but if it was a video that you wanted to merge that needed a background, then you would just simply drag it all the way over to where you want that background to last till, but I only need it to last here. So basically I'm going to push this right up against this, and then all you do right here is you click your cursor right there, left click it, add a transition, then you slide over to the left here and click transition, and you're actually going to have a few different transitions to choose from. So I'll just go ahead and do this one, and we'll put it, whoops, do this one, drag and drop it, and it's going to say replace transition. And then if you wanted to add a little bit of text, you can do that. So what I'll do is I'm going to click on the left side over here. And let's say I always use this text right here. So I'm just going to add that, put it roughly where I want it to go. And let's see. Got that right there. And you move this over and you see how this popped up. Basically, when you have this hovering over this part, that means you'll be able to see it. Okay. I always change the font to this right here. It just stands out a little bit more. And let's see, I'm going to go ahead and just okay. Just want to click on text. And just put your text in right here. Obviously, I want it to be a little bit smaller, so you just simply drag it like that, and boom, you're all set. You know what? I think I want to add a little bit more, so I'm actually just going to drag this right here. Let's see, slide it over, move this up right here. We go over here. I'm going to change the font. Now I'm going to go right here and just write, let's see, that's the perfect size, and that's pretty much it. So here's the way it's going to look with that transition that we just added. I'm going to hit play real quick. So So that's pretty much it. Those are some of the real basic editing things that you can learn pretty easily. It's pretty simple, as you see, with the ClipChamp free video editor. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got some value out of it. Please go ahead and just drop a quick like and subscribe. And of course, if you want to find out more about Collect Direct, check out the description below. My contact info is down there. And as soon as it goes live, I'll have my links down there as well. Enjoy the rest of your day.